Face reality!
I'm Ray. I'm flattening out the globe.
What is
The meaning of life, the universe, and everything?
Suction.
Welcome back, folks. Ray is up to his usual argument again, thinking that suction is a force, and that he has once again disproven the atmosphere.
What's that?
Suction.
The production of a vacuum. How? By the removal of air.
Hold up there, Ray, because I've got a great little demonstration that I'm going to give just for you that exemplifies this exact point very thoroughly. I hope you enjoy it. We'll get to it after we're done addressing your video.
To what? In order to force fluid or matter into a vacant space or procure adhesion.
Don't worry, Ray. I'm going to explain things to you very thoroughly. Let's finish your video first.
Reduce their pressure over part of its surface. Force so exerted, a device such as a pipe or fitting used in a machine that operates by suction. Short meaning, the act or process of removing the air, water, etc. from a space in order to pull something into that space or in order to cause something to stick to a surface. Do not let logic infuriate you.
Real logic doesn't bother us, Ray. Your interpretation of logic is what bothers us, because it's completely inaccurate.
But accept it. So go ahead.
Deny reality! All right, Raymond, let's get into the demonstration for you. Here's slide number 1. In this slide, you can see that we have the representation of your suction cup on a surface. Notice the number of arrows in between each side. They're equal. This is because the pressure inside and outside the suction cup are the same until we apply an external force, as in the next slide. When you apply a greater force on the outside of the suction cup by pressing down on it, you force the air that is inside of it to follow the path of least resistance, just like all other fluids do. Which brings us to this final slide, Ray, which very clearly depicts that there is no air pressure inside the suction cup to resist the greater pressure of the atmosphere pushing down on the suction cup from the outside. Here's slide 2 again. Notice the number of arrows on the inside is equal to the number of arrows on the outside. And here's slide 4 again. Notice the number of arrows on the inside is 0, and the number of arrows on the outside is 5. Wait, can you even count that high, Ray? If you can count that high, which number is greater, 0 or 5? 0 or 5? I'll let you in on a little secret, Ray. Both numbers are greater than your IQ. That's it for this video, folks. While my animation skills admittedly suck, it's pretty sad that I had to dumb things down to this degree in an effort to make Raymond understand this concept. The word suction and its accompanying definition are just simplifying the explanation of how a higher pressure system exerts a greater force onto a lower pressure system. That's it. I'm not even going to make a video on his next short because it is just absolutely ludicrous, talking about Bill Gates and atmospheric geoengineering in an effort to cool the planet rapidly, which was all hypothetical nonsense that was dismissed years ago. But Ray is Ray, and he will attach himself to literally any conspiracy that he thinks supports his claims. Let's see what happens in the next one.